Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Sign in with your Apple ID and turn on iCloud Photos. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and plug in or enable upload on cellular for large libraries. Make sure you have adequate iCloud storage before uploading. If you're below roughly 5% free space, or upgrade now so uploads won't fail. Also choose Optimize iPhone storage versus download and keep originals based on device disk space. Now open Photos to begin syncing new items immediately. You'll import or capture the images you want synced, then leave the Photos app open briefly to let upload start. Watch the status at the bottom. It shows uploading, paused, or updated. This tells you progress and if you need to reconnect. If you use Hike or Live Photos, iCloud preserves formats. Convert when sharing if needed. For large batches, upload overnight while charging. Make sure background, app refresh, and Photos permissions are enabled so uploads continue when the app is backgrounded. To finish, verify items appear on iCloud. Com and other devices, that confirms full sync. If uploads stall, toggle iCloud Photos off then on, restart your device and recheck Wi-Fi and storage. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in or reset network settings. This can clear stalled connections. As a last step, contact Apple support and run diagnostics. Remember to make a local backup before drastic account or device resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.